Hi, this is Buffy Hamilton, and one of the questions that I receive frequently from other librarians is why do I love LibGuides so much? And one of my favorite features about this platform is that it's very easy to copy over entire guides. And a feature that I actually use more frequently is the ability to copy over existing pieces of content that I've already created in other research guides. So I thought it might be helpful to take just a couple of minutes to show you how that works. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, go into a research guide that I want to update. So I'm going to go in to my Google Documents 2010. And a little bit earlier today, I actually went in and added this new piece of content. I used the embed video content box and copied the embed code over from the YouTube channel. However, I'm starting a new unit next week with a technology class, and we're going to be doing just a brief introduction on Introduction to Google Tools. So rather than having to make a new box of content, copy the code, give the box a title, I can simply go back into my administrative menu, and I can go into my list of guides, and I'm going to find the new guide that I'm working on right now. Introduction to Google Tools. And instead of having to actually recreate that box from scratch, I can simply go in and I can go into the Add a New Box feature. And at this point, instead of creating a new one from scratch, I can actually just say, I'd like to copy one that I've already created. And now I'm just going to go into Google Documents, the guide to Google Documents here. And now from the drop-down menu, then I can go through and choose the piece of content that I want to copy over. And in this case, it was the Introduction to Google Docs video. Before I finish copying this over, I am going to tell LibGuides that I want this to go at the top of the column. And then I'm going to create the box. And LibGuides will take just a minute to do its magic. And now if I scroll to the top of the column, there is the video. This is a really helpful feature when you are creating guides and you need to borrow, if you will, pieces of content that you've already created, particularly if they are pieces of content that may be time intensive to create. Obviously this one wasn't, but it was a little bit faster to just copy over this piece of content rather than creating the box from scratch. So that's just a brief overview of how you copy over content, a specific piece of content, from one LibGuides research guide to another. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.